Good afternoon, Brandon here from Beast Mode Trading. Wanted to give you guys another daily recap on Beast Mode Butter. Scalping system, risk to reward 1-to-1. I traded this system for a whole year and grown my account. And after that first year, I had enough money to continue on and use a little bit larger amount of money. And that's kind of how I started my journey. This is a basic scalping system. Like I said, with the risk to reward of 1-to-1, you do not win every single trade, but it is important to be consistent with the signals, and you have a high probability to finish the week green. And I'm going to show you, even though we had a horrible week this week, how we still managed to be green. So I don't want to take too much of your time. Try to keep these ones real quick. And let's get started. So here's Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday. Here's Monday. 2-1. So we'll zoom in here. We had a momentum shift to the upside. We took calls here. We did get movement in our favor, but our stop out was down here. Did not hit our 1-to-1. So some people may have taken a winner on that. You trade futures, you definitely got about 2.5 points there. But if you're risking this much to only make that much, to me, I'm counting as a loss. So we're 0-1. Momentum shift goes to the downside. We had a mixed market, and a lot of times when that happens, we don't really get nice trends. Then we take some puts here. Here was our stop out. We got stopped out right here. There was another loser, 0-2 on this day. And then we ended up getting a call signal right here. And depending on where you put your stop, I put a stop right here, and we got stopped out. 3 losers on this day. If you had proper risk management, you may have only lost maybe 1 or 2% of your account total. And we go over this stuff all live in our chat room. So let's continue to the next day. We're 0-3 on the day and on the week. So we come into Tuesday. Still trade the same exact plan. We took calls here. Here was our stop. Hit our 1-to-1 up here. And we actually set a trail stop and was able to capture a much larger winner, which helped us out definitely. Sometimes we get IV hike when we get these individual candles. But back to the recap, we are 1-3 for the week. And then we don't take that one. So we are 1-3 on the week. Brings us into Wednesday. We're still red for the week. And let's see what happens. We're 1-3. We take some puts right here. Here's our stop out. We do not get stopped out. And this trade ends up hitting our target. Put a trail stop, and we're able to get a little bit more before getting stopped out. So now we are 2-3. We get a call trade right here. Here was our stop out. Set a trail. We got a larger winner than what we thought we were going to get. Sometimes this happens. So now we are 3-3, back to break even. And then our last trade, 3-3, we get some puts down here. Here's our stop out. Goes down here to our 1-to-1. We are 4 winners, 3 losers. Then we get a call signal right here. Here's our stop, and it goes on and hits our target. We are 5-3 right now. And look at that. Monday was 0-3. Now we are 5-3 on the week. Let's fast forward to the next day. 5-3. We take some calls right here, and we put a stop right here, and we put our 1-to-1 was right here. We set a trail, and we caught this. So we are 6-3 right now. Back on the green side, sitting in profits. Then we get into some chop right here. We have some puts right here. Here was our stop out. We don't get stopped out. We get a call signal right here. We put a stop here, and and then that goes on and hits our target. So we are 6-3 with this trade right here. That goes on to be a loser over here. We are 6-4 with this winner. We are 7-4 right there, and that sums it up for that day. So we're 7-4. Then we come into Friday, and Friday happens to be a momentum shift to the downside. We took puts right here. Here was our stop out. Here's our 1-to-1. You set a trail, and we got a mini grand slam. These kind of trades right here help us out significantly on the day trading side. So we were 7-3, I believe. Now we are 8-3. And then we get a buy here. Here's our stop out. Here's our 1-to-1. 9-3. We don't get anything here. We don't get anything here. We don't get anything here. And then we get this trade right there. Stop out. It's 2 minutes after 12. So we actually finished. If you didn't take that trade, which I like to trade this up until 12, so I would not have taken that. 9 winners and 3 losers, I believe. Let me double check. We got 1 winner, 2 winner. We got 2 winners on Friday. 1, 2. Yep, 2 winners on Friday. Thursday, we got 2 winners. So we're 2-0. We're 3-0. We are 3-1, 4-1. We'll come back to this day. We are 4-1. We're 5-1, 6-1, 7-1, 8-1. Then we come back to this day, 8-1. We're 9-1, 9-1, and then we get these 3 losers, I believe. Yep, 9-2, and 9-3, 9-4. We finished the week 9-4. So we come over here to our thing. 9 divided by 9 plus 4 is 13. So 9 divided by 13 equals, give or take, about 70%. Another green week in the books, even though we did not hit our quota of normally 80%. But if you stuck with the plan, you finish with a smaller green week, and what more could you ask for? If you like what we do, reach on out, and we'll see you in our live chat room for next week. We do know, historically speaking, weeks that we have a bad week, the next week tends to be a very good week. So probability standpoint, we probably would hit close to 80 to 83% of our trades next week, but we don't know that. So in the end, we trade with proper risk management, consistency, and we trade our plan. Hey, catch you guys on the next video. Thank you for your time. You have a blessed weekend. Beast Mode out.